So today is day 2 update, half day, 1 day and a half, not day 2, but only because the battery is now 10% and I need to charge. You're using similar amount of battery, so yeah. So today I use 99% of battery life. Yeah, 99, and I get around 5 hours. What? 5 hours of usage? Crazy. So I charge and get another 5 hours. So as I told you that I got a better battery life on iOS 27 than iOS 26, and it's smoother, it's smoother, faster. I like it. I like the way iOS 27 perform on iPhone 12 mini, and as you can see, I cannot touch. As you can see, it's been a good day. 10%, 99%, so it's because I use over midnight, so that's why. So around 3 hours, I think. Yeah. Battery health 100% with higher capacity battery, $20 I think, from local phone store. So yeah, iPhone 12 mini, it's great to have 5 hours, no, maybe 4, the video this morning around that, and it's good.